Tickets for a school event were $1.50 for students and $2 for parents. If a total of 103 tickets were sold for $180.50, how many students and parent tickets were sold? So we want to find out the number of student tickets sold, the number of parents tickets sold. First thing I like to do on these is pick a variable that makes sense. Rather than just using X and Y, I like to use some kind of variable that you know when you get down to the end, like what X means you're not really sure. But if we come in here and say we've got student tickets, let's call that S, and parents tickets, let's call that P. So number of student tickets sold is S, number of parents tickets sold is P. Come back up here and we know we sold 103 tickets. So if we take the number of student tickets plus the number of parents is 103, because all we had there was students and parents. So number of students plus number of parents is equal to 53. We also know that we got $180.50 brought in from those tickets. So if we take the number of students there times 150 plus the number of parents there times their value of their ticket of $2, it'll come up to $180.50. So students are $1.50 for students plus parents at $2 is equal to $180.50. Okay, now we look at this and we got decimals. Well, I don't really like to work with decimals if I don't have to, so let's go ahead and multiply everything through by 10 and clear the decimals. So 10 there gives us 15s, 20p, and make sure to do it on the far side. It'd be 1805. Okay, now we have equation here, and we have equation here. We have two equations, two unknowns. Our unknowns are variables of S and P. So we can just take one of these equations, solve it for S or P, and then substitute it into the other equation. Doesn't matter which one you solve for. Let's go ahead and solve for P by subtracting S from both sides. So this becomes P is equal to 103 minus S. So we know the number of tickets, of parents' tickets, is equal to 103 the total minus the number of students' tickets, which makes sense. So now we know P is equal to this value here. We can take this value and substitute into P there because we know they're the same. So this becomes 15S plus 20 times 103 minus S is equal to 1805. Go ahead and multiply this out. It becomes 15S plus 20 times 103 is 2060. 2060 minus 20s is equal to 1805. 15s minus 20s gives us a negative 5s minus 2060 from both sides, and that's going to give us a negative 255, negative 255. Divide both sides by negative 5, so the number of student tickets sold is equal to 51. So we know if we have 51 student tickets, we know the number of parents' tickets is equal to 103 minus that, so this would be P is equal to 103 minus 51, so the number of parents' ticket is equal to 52. So parents' ticket is 52, students' tickets is 51.